What you're about to hear sounds impossible, but every single fact in this video is scientifically real. By the end, reality might feel very different. Fact 1. A day on Mercury. A single day on Mercury lasts 176 Earth days. That means if you stood on its surface, you would wait nearly 6 months to see the sun move across the sky. This happens because Mercury rotates very slowly, while also orbiting the sun very quickly. In fact, Mercury completes one orbit around the sun in just 88 Earth days. So, strangely, a year on Mercury is actually shorter than a day there. Because it has almost no atmosphere, temperatures swing to extremes. During the day, it can reach 800 degrees Fahrenheit. At night, temperatures drop to minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to melt lead during the day and cold enough to freeze carbon dioxide at night. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun, yet it's not the hottest planet in our solar system. Fact 2. The ocean floor is more mysterious than space. More than 80% of Earth's oceans remain unexplored. In fact, we have mapped the surface of Mars more clearly than parts of our own ocean floor. As you go deeper, sunlight disappears completely after about 1,000 meters. Beyond that point lies a world in permanent darkness, yet entire ecosystems survive without any sunlight. Instead of photosynthesis, they rely on a process called chemosynthesis. These life forms feed on chemicals released from hydrothermal vents. Some of these vents can reach temperatures over 700 degrees Fahrenheit. Scientists believe studying these environments could help us understand how life began on Earth, and it may even guide us in the search for life beyond our planet. Fact 3. Your brain is more powerful than you think. Your brain makes up only about 2% of your total body weight, but it consumes roughly 20% of your total energy. That means even while you're resting, your brain is working constantly. The human brain contains around 86 billion neurons. Each neuron can form thousands of connections with others. This creates trillions of neural connections inside your head. Electrical signals inside your brain can travel up to 250 miles per hour, and your brain can generate enough electricity to power a small light bulb. Scientists still don't fully understand how consciousness emerges from this activity, which means the most complex object in the known universe is inside your skull right now. Fact 4. Supervolcanoes can change the climate. When a supervolcano erupts, it doesn't just blast lava, it injects enormous amounts of ash and sulfur into the atmosphere. Those particles and gases can block sunlight, cooling the planet for years, a phenomenon called volcanic winter. Historic eruptions like Toba around 74,000 years ago may have caused dramatic global cooling that impacted human populations. Supervolcano eruptions are measured by their volcanic explosivity index. The largest events release thousands of cubic kilometers of material. Ashfall can collapse roofs, contaminate water, and shut down sunlight-dependent agriculture across entire continents. Sulfur aerosols form a reflective veil that scatters solar radiation and chemically interacts with the atmosphere. Short-term cooling can trigger crop failures, famine, and cascading social impacts worldwide. Geologists monitor supervolcanoes using ground deformation, gas emissions, and seismic swarms to spot unrest long before an eruption. While massive eruptions are extremely rare, their global effects mean even remote hotspots matter to everyone. Understanding supervolcanoes helps us prepare and reminds us how fragile Earth's climate balance can be. Fact 5. The moon controls the tides. The moon's gravity pulls on Earth's oceans, creating the tides we see every day. Tides rise and fall in a predictable rhythm because of this gravitational interaction. High tides occur on the side of Earth facing the moon and the opposite side. This effect also slows Earth's rotation over millions of years. Historically, this deceleration has added hours to the length of our days over billions of years. Tides impact marine ecosystems, influencing everything from plankton blooms to fish migrations. Coastal tides have also shaped human civilization, from ancient fishing to modern ports. Even today, tidal energy is harnessed as a renewable power source in some regions. Without the moon, tides would be far weaker, dramatically changing Earth's oceans and climate. The next time you watch waves crash on the shore, remember, it's the moon silently shaping life on Earth.